Maxis9 and welcome back to another video, guys. Today's episode. Today, guys, we'll be talking about the most popular game out right now, and probably gonna be one of the most biggest sales for games ever, and that is Fortnite. If you don't know what Fortnite is, then where have you been for the past couple of months on the internet? It's been popping up on news, it's been popping up on YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, everywhere. It's like the hot topic of gaming and pretty much everything else right now. So I'm gonna have a little bit of a talk. I don't know if this is gonna be a rant, but so yeah. But before we do start, I do enjoy Fortnite. I have put up a couple of streams for myself, so don't say, "Oh well, he's a hater. He sucks at Fortnite." I do suck at Fortnite. This isn't really much of a rant, but I do enjoy the game, so let's get right into it. Okay, so the title should be called "When Will Fortnite Die?" And to be honest, I don't really want it to die as much as, like, anything really. I do enjoy the game quite a bit. But there's a certain point where you get to where the game isn't gonna last forever. It's just simple, to be honest. And the game, it's been around for around a year now. I think it came out August to September time. And that was the Battle Royale. The actual Fortnite came out like around 2004, which is insane, may I say. I didn't even know. But the game got its hype when the Battle Royale came out, and that's when people started to play. Now, people were playing the game. They didn't know like how to become, I guess, the best player in the game, and so they went to YouTube. There wasn't many people at the time playing because it wasn't the biggest hype. PUBG, remember, came out before that. That was kind of a big hype. I didn't realize what PUBG was until like October, November time. And I do like the game as well. I don't mind PUBG. I've played a couple of games, won a couple of games. So yeah. And one man probably made a huge difference to this. And no, it's not Orange Justice, if anyone thinks. But this man. This guy's name is Ninja. If you haven't heard of him, then you haven't heard of Fortnite. Ninja is probably the biggest and best Fortnite player out there. He is, he's really good at aiming, he's really good at shotgun kills, really good at building, and just really good generally in the game. They've even done, I'm pretty sure, a documentary about him. So it's big. He earns around £1 million a month, which is insane. A lot of money over one game. Now, the man has been playing Halo, Call of Duty before this, so he has had some past experience, but people have announced him as one of the best in the world, if not the best. Now, don't get me wrong, I do like Ninja. He's a great guy, okay? He does great things. He does what he wants. It's pretty much most gamers' dreams, just to stream and earn a lot of money, and he was able to do that. But that gets to a point where he's not gonna get £1 million a month anymore. Now, obviously, he'll still go big, and he will earn quite a bit of money, but the more the month goes down, the less his bank account will have. Now, I'm actually really proud of the guy. No, I didn't watch him before Fortnite because I didn't know who he was. But he's gone really far, and he is proven a lot of people wrong that gamers such as him can actually make a living out of it. And that's one of the most awesome things. Now, there's other people out there like CDN, Myth. You got so many people. Literally can't think of any others. Right now I can't think of others. But those are the ones on top of the head, and they all pro players, and they all deserve money because people pay of entertainment. It's what they do. Say now for an opera, people who are interested in operas, they pay to see the opera because it's a huge entertainment part of the system. And that's what people do to Ninja. They pay to see him because he's really good. And I I enjoy too. I mean, I haven't actually paid to see him, because I don't have money, and to be honest, if you just watch his stream for about 5 minutes, you can see how much he earns, so there's no point. I mean, it's a good true support, but just leaving a like and subscribing to his YouTube channel, he appreciates enough, he says. So yeah, and I'm pretty sure, if I'm correct, he's the first ever YouTuber to hit 10 million subscribers for just one game. He's the most subscribed person on Twitch as well. I don't even know how many that is. I think it's around the 20s. And it's insane. I think it's the fastest growing channel. I'll show you just the statistics right now. Okay, so if we just type in Ninja on Social Blade, it's like a really, really good website to check to see. Yeah, so this is his Twitch. This is his YouTube. So in Twitch he's got 6 million. I'm sorry. Yeah. So his real name is Tyler Bevins. And he earns, look how much he earns a year. So let me just show you. He earns around 500,000 a month and 400,000 to 6 million a year. That is insane. That's just by the YouTube views. He said almost 1 billion views. He's halfway there. So look how many subs he gets a day. He gets 100,000, 130,000, 72,000, 77,000, 81,000, 96,000, 44,000, 114,000, 122,000, 40,000, 122,000, 111,000, 137,000, 77,000, and in the past 30 days he's gained 2 million subscribers. That is insane. But enough about the man, the myth, the legend, Ninja. We got to talk about why Fortnite is gonna die, and it's a huge part of the YouTube community right now. So it's literally, look at this. If I just type in YouTube gaming, you just gotta. It's insane. It's literally insane. I mean, just the amount of people that go on every day. I just can't be bothered to go to Twitch. If I just go to live or games, I don't know which one I should have gone to. Live. Number 1 right now, Fortnite with 2,000 people, and then boys, it goes down to 400 with PUBG. It's insane. Minecraft's like just there. Counter-Strike, GTA 5. Do you know what's so sad? Like, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I can't actually see it. But Far Cry 5's not even up on you. It's not even here. And Fortnite Battle Royale, the other one, it's right above from Grand Theft Auto. It's insane. I mean, what? Okay, so just look at this. If I just go to my homepage, I bet I'll find some Fortnite videos. Let's see, shall we? Please, let's just see. Oh wait, look at that orange kid does dances secret locations. What's this? We cover the entire crater in Fortnite. Kid, Fortnite lawsuit for his 14-year-old child. Watch that be clickbait. Okay, yeah, these are just normal videos that I watch. Any more? You got any more for me? Because these are just freaking normal videos. Oh, we got, well, he's actually pretty funny, to be honest, I'm not gonna lie. So these are just now channels. Oh, entertainment. The worst Fortnite trend from Pyrocynical. We got recommended. So we got this guy, I can't pronounce his name. Fortnite highlights. Fortnite wins. It's literally 1v24 epic fails, and this man, Ali. What happened to you, man? What happened to you? I remember when he wasn't really uploading much of Fortnite, and he was uploading World War II videos. Those were really great. Mostly just the campaign, because that was great. Look at this, guys. Do you see any Call of Duty videos or any real life videos? I'm just gonna keep going down until we find a different video apart from Fortnite. Boys, 1 month ago was the Call of Duty Black Ops release. Okay, that was 1 month. Let's keep going until we find a new one. Okay, so another month. So I'm assuming like once a month. Okay, we're gonna keep going. Keep going. Oh, I can't find anything apart from that. World War II. You see this? Literally 3 months apart since he done a Call of Duty video. No, 5 months ago he done a Call of Duty video. See the difference? You got 10 million views, 2 million, 1 million, 2 million, 1 million, almost 2 million, 1 million. Then you go all up here, apart from that video, which is the Call of Duty, which was 800,000, 1 million, 3 million, 3 million, 3 million, 5 million, 3 million, 3 million, 4 million, 4.8 million. Some of his clickbait really does trigger me. The Superman challenge, clickbait. Season 4 secret things, looks like Hulk, clickbait. What's it called? Flash in there, clickbait. I'm sorry, why is almost every single video got an arrow? Arrow, 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 arrows, arrows, arrow, arrow. Right, let me count how many there are from, what's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18. Out of 18, let's count how many arrows there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 out of 18 videos is arrows and circles are now coming in. What the hell, Ali? I say, I love the work that his girlfriend is doing. His girlfriend actually makes really good videos. BBC trolling, I kind of like. And then there's clickbait, such as this. So if I just type in, such as Ninja Fortnite, if I just type in Fortnite, we got some things. Have you found the new legendary chest yet? Oh my god. What else? Oh, Ninja completed every single blockbuster challenge in Fortnite, free skin unlocked. Well, that's impossible because you have to really complete every other week, which you haven't got to the second week yet. You got some cool Ninja videos, and then you just got, any others? Any others? Do you want to show me? Oh, Ninja gets baited by default skin and loses. These clips. If I just type in Fortnite. So if I just type in, I'm sorry, but if I just type in Fortnite Myth is getting all the hate right here. Cause, not all the hate, literally. Myth is actually a really good player as well. I think he's got like 2 million subs. What's this? Did I just see something? No, we'll go Miss Girlfriend. Oh my god, this, boys. So, Myth and Valkyrie, cutest duo moments. Myth plays Fortnite with cute Twitch streamer Pokimane. Myth replaces Pokimane with his new girlfriend, broke up. Oh my god. What else? Myth yells at Valerie and then flirts with her, question mark? What else we got? Fifth girlfriend Pokemon, his first girlfriend. Myth has a new Asian girlfriend, she's so cute! Oh my god! And, like, why do people really get into, like, people's personal life? So what, he has a girlfriend, well done for noticing. Just, why? What is the actual point? And that's what's Fortnite going down. All the clickbait people are seeing, it's gonna die. I'm sorry, but it just is. So I really hope you guys enjoy this. I wasn't much of a rant. I just hate when people clickbait. The game's kind of going downhill at the moment. With like, I like the new update, but I bet you by season 5 something big's gonna happen. And if you guys did enjoy it, please do slap a like button. I do really appreciate these types of videos that you guys give me back responses. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.